Hi! These are the fudgiest and the most chocolatey brownies that I've ever had. So, let's bake them. These are the ingredients that you need to make the brownie. I'll introduce you to them as we proceed. First, we need a cup of chocolate and half cup of butter. You can chop the chocolates or break them into cubes. Add in the butter and then wait for some magic. Ta-da! Just kidding. You can put the mixture into the microwave or you can put it in the double boiler pot, anything that suits you. Now, we'll start by beating 2 eggs. We'll add in a cup of sugar into the beaten egg and keep beating the mixture so that you can infuse as much air as you possible. Now we'll add in the chocolate butter mixture that we made earlier. This will make the brownie the fudgiest. Yes, beautiful. Mix them. Now we'll add our dry ingredients. Sift in half a cup of flour. All-purpose flour is fine. Now add in 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Remember, cocoa powder always intensifies the flavor of the brownie. Now add in the baking powder. 1 tablespoon is fine. Now it's time for the key ingredient, coffee powder. This really enhances the flavor of the chocolate in the brownie. Always remember to add a pinch of salt in everything. I mean dessert. Your batter is ready. Now lay a parchment paper or a butter paper on your mold. Now pour in the batter in your mold just like this as the batter falls in like a ribbon. Now toppings, you can add any topping that you want. I have put in cashew, but you can do anything you want. Go crazy with your toppings. Now your brownie batter is ready to be put into the oven. Now keep the temperature at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 minutes, check in with a wooden square or a back of a spoon. Check in. It won't come out clean since these are fudgy brownies, but your brownies are ready. Now, after the brownies are completely cool, you can cut them. But remember, these are fudgy brownies, so the knife wouldn't come out clean. So every time you chop them, clean the knife. The brownies are ready. Now to serve them, garnish with chocolate chips, chocolate syrup, ice cream, or anything that you really want. These are melt in mouth brownies ready for you. Bye.